In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Biometrics and Password. Following that, select Face Recognition at the top and enter your current login method. If you don't have it, you need to set it up to use Face Unlock. Now you can click on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to turn it on or off, and hit Get Started at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now click on Enable or Later in the pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. When you're finished, just go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!